Thank you for joining me for Thursdays with Tony. I hope you liked the video we have today. After all, it is a special day. And by all means, if you like it, share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up and give me a comment if you'd like to. I'd really appreciate it. After all, it is Thanksgiving, so enjoy this little visit to Edgefield, South Carolina on this Turkey Day. Hey, look, there's another one. I wonder what all these turkeys are about. I guess this is the reason. Let's see what's inside. A nice lobby with things to see before the museum. There are turkeys everywhere in the Winchester Museum. You can feel those turkey feathers and those dangerous spurs. Dioramas showed how the Native American hunted the wild turkey.
Oh, well, hey there. I didn't hear you walk up. Thanks in large part to hunter education, shooting accidents are at an all-time low.
Helicopters are used as part of a conservation effort.
Understanding nature is something that helps you appreciate nature. And that's one of our goals here at the National Wild Turkey Federation.
I should not have challenged my mate to a shooting match. The Wild Turkey Center is great fun for adults and children alike. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. A thumbs up helps my channel grow too. Other videos are available, as you can check out my playlist as well as what's coming up next.